fastest way to lose your home. There's a quick way that you can lose your home. It's an extremely fast way. And the fastest way that you can lose your home is to invest in a business that's untested. A business that you're just trying out because you're maybe good at some technical aspect in your life. And you have no idea the technical aspect of your life has nothing to do with running a business. So you'll go to your spouse, your wife, or significant other, and you'll say, hey honey, let's take a loan out on the house. And you go out and you take a loan out on the house, and next thing you know, you take out a $50,000, $100,000, depending on how much equity you have in the house. Poor house. So you take a loan out against the house, and now you put all that money into what? A business that you have no idea how to run. So what happens? You don't get O.P.M in the beginning, which is other people's money to do it. You use your own money to do it. And then you don't know how to get clients because you're so adept and skilled at the technical aspect, but you're not skilled at the aspect of basically how to run a business. Now, running a business is completely different than the technical aspect of what you're good at. And that means that you need to be able to know how to run business first. But scratch all that. The number one thing that you need to do if you're not trying to lose your house quickly is don't use your equity to invest in an untested business. What you can do is take a loan out against the house, and it doesn't have to be the $30,000 or the $100,000, but take a little loan out against the equity, and what you do, you invest in learning how to build business credit properly. It's not gonna cost you $100,000, but the investment that you put into learning how to do that properly can multiply by 15, 20 times if you just have patience and let me show you how to do it. So make sure you don't lose your house the fastest way possible, which is taking a loan out against it and then investing in a business that you have no freaking idea how to run.